Hey, what is going on YouTube? This is Robert and today I'm bringing you an unboxing this week for Palace. I've stalled things out a tiny bit. I was going to upload a video today that just goes over the Supreme prior season or my best moments from that, but instead that'll be tomorrow, and then obviously the Supreme season is kicking back like within the next couple of weeks, so yeah. But anyway, let's get into this. Palace was meant to arrive Monday, then yesterday, but instead it is today, so yeah, I'm looking forward to this. And that's all I can say, so let's get straight into this. But on that note, I did forget to say, let me know down below whether your Palace pieces have arrived or whether they're arriving in the next couple of days, or whether you've just got a delivery date set, and whether you're going to be stocking, rocking or reselling what you picked up. And yeah, now let's get straight into this. Okay, so hopefully the lighting stays okay for the time being. I've just lost the scissors, there they are, because it's fluctuating a little bit, and the main reason as to why I'm not facing that way as per norm is purely because there's just a load of stuff in the background and I really don't want to be recording that. So without further ado, we've got our Palace pieces. There isn't actually that much range this time, and it is really just not liking me. I have to go like there for it to like focus on the light, but regardless, apologies for that. We're just going to get straight into this and go with the easy item and then the more difficult. Actually, maybe we should go more difficult than easy first. So let's go with that. So we're going to be kicking off with this box that hopefully has no packaging, not packaging, but any labels or anything on it. Obviously I did two carts for my orders from Palace purely because I didn't trust myself. That's it, genuinely, that's it, because normally with Palace I get a sort of feeling that you, I just broke these. I get the feeling that normally you have a couple of minutes at like a maximum when it comes to it, and you should be perfectly fine with that. But in some cases, I don't know, I just don't trust it, and yeah. Oh look, sticker sitting on top. That's all right. Right. Okay, they've packaged things a little bit differently to what I was expecting. Okay. Yeah. This is different. Okay, so I've gone with the more expensive package first, I suppose. Then, so we're going to be kicking off with the Garfield and the sticker pack tee. God, this needs some crushing down. They've really done me dirty on this one. When did they include things like that with it? I messed this up as well. I never knew that they included the little like disinfect type thing, so let's throw that back in since it was in there in the first place. So yeah, but this is obviously the sticker pack tee. Obviously, like I said, I'm not gonna open it up and get it out because I'll be real, I've sold it. And we're plain and simple. I don't do that a lot with Palace, or in general with Palace. I tend to keep a lot of things that I buy from them, but with this I just thought I'd just do like a quick flip, and that is what I've done in the end. So yeah, sticker and that, and now we'll get on to the piece that I'm actually really looking forward to, which is actually a lot bigger than I was anticipating, but there we go. So here he is. Something's just come off of him. But here he is, Garfield. Yeah, he's holding the Panasonic magazine, and yeah, overall that is really cool. Yeah. So you've got all the details on the back. You've got little small graphics that are obviously included on the other pieces, like the t-shirt and the jeans and things. But yeah, and then you've got a couple of different addresses on there, which I just did that. I can't see if it's focusing or not, but yeah. Anyway, regardless, here is Palace Garfield in all of his glory. So this one doesn't come in a bag like the prior one, the duck out toy, but that's fine. He's so cool. He's so cool. I'm going to be keeping him obviously in my collection. He's just another cool one. I wish that Supreme would do more plush things or plush things like this, like they did the Camacho. I wish they'd do something like that again instead of Chucky. You know, I'd prefer something more fun and joyous and a bit out there, you know, a little custom thing to it and whatever. But yeah, really cool, really decent job, Palace. I appreciate that, and yeah, he can just sit in the corner for the time being whilst we move on to the next package, which now I'm worried that this is broken because I thought these were the other way around, I'll be perfectly honest, but If it's not broken, now it is. No, but this is going to be the rest of my order, which we're going to get 2 stickers. Oh, they're treating me this time. They're making up for all the times that I haven't got things. Right, so if we open this one up, we're going to have this. What did I order? I've actually forgotten, I'll be perfectly honest. So in here we have, okay, so we've got the sticker pack, we've got the tape, the Palace tape. I don't know whether or not I'll be using this with my orders and things that I send out, because I'm slightly worried that if people see Palace tape, they might just nick the bag, in short. But then we've got the sticker pack, which as always, I like to stack up on sticker packs and things, and yeah, let's get this one out so you can see it in all its glory. I'll just go like that. So those are all the stickers that you can just about see, because I'm doing a terrible job at showing them. But yeah, those are the stickers for this season, or this season's sticker pack. Another quite cool one, not as good as some of the older ones in my view. Some of the older ones they've released a lot better, but nevertheless I'm not going to complain, because it's a sticker pack at the end of the day and that's all it is. The tape, as you can see, is very just simple and basic. It's decent thickness, it's not like cheap, awful, but you never know with some things, they could just end up tearing and such, but it seems like it's alright, and they've actually done the nice thing of giving a little peel to it, because if you know the pain of trying to start tape of any kind, then yeah, this is a big help. This is normally how I leave most of the tape that I use in general anyway. I just leave a little fold at the end. But let's move on to the last piece that I ordered. Now obviously I should have probably checked out the vest, because I then realised after the fact that being more realistic and smart with it, a vest will keep you warm, like the main part of you warm, but then you have the option of wearing a long sleeve or a short shirt or something like that along the side, and you'll still like maintain the same warmth, and it will do the job and still look good. And yeah, I just didn't think that far, so I should have got it, but I didn't. So instead, whenever the fleece drops, we'll be going for that. But yeah, we obviously also had this Supreme teaser from them, which is an iridescent puffer or puffy jacket, and yeah, it looks cool. I will probably try and cop it at the end of the day, but yeah, we'll see how that goes. But now we move on to the Martini glasses. It says glasses, so it's not singular. Have they pulled an amazing... This is actually really cool packaging, I'll be honest. Like looking at the box and everything, I nearly just drop it. It's really cool. I really do find it cool. I wish they released like tissue paper or something that was like this. That'd be amazing. Just like the tape, like just 5 to 8 pounds, just a kilo, or kilogram, not a kilo, but a kilogram of tape. That would have been cool. So is this singular or is it double? No, it is singular. I thought when it said glasses it might have been double, but it is singular. Okay. Okay, so you get it out by taking this off, lifting it up, taking it off. Right, let's get this out. Don't break it, Robert, whatever you do, don't break it. Okay, so there are multiple layers. I'll just show to that. So yeah, when you put it in, you can obviously just layer it through. But here it is. This is really basic. This is really basic. As you can see, it says Palace. It's not going to focus because of me. Oh, there you go. So that's all it says. So yeah, cheers, I guess. I don't drink. I hope that I don't break this trying to do the thumbnail. Is that a sticker? It looks like just a peel off sticker. It looks like they are 2 stickers. So what we have here is a very basic glass with 2 stickers on it. I wish that it had like embossed Palace or something, but winners can't be, what is it, like beggars can't be choosers or something, or winners can't be beggars, something like that, along the lines of that. But yeah, so that is that. You can imagine if I smashed that, I'd lose my mind. But that is going to cover this unboxing anyway, so thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, like and much appreciated. Other than that, as per norm, let me know down below whether your items have arrived, whether you're stocking, rocking or reselling, and whether anything else has arrived, whether you've got an exclusive access on the Off-White Dunks. I have not. I know someone who got both the Travis and the Off-White access. if he's watching, he knows who he is. I know someone who also missed their access to Travis. He knows who he is, and I feel awful, but it's quite funny, but at the same time it's horrific that he missed it. But yeah, hopefully I might get access. I won't. But yeah, that is going to cover it anyway. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, like, much appreciated. Other than that, I hope that you have a good day. I was about to... And I will see you all next time, which will be tomorrow. Peace.